The Nikon D3500 is fun to use and simple to operate. Its 24.2 megapixel format allows you to capture high-quality images effortlessly. A light and balanced body lets you take it with you wherever you go. Continuous shooting of 5 frames per second, in combination with its 11-point focusing system, the D3500 captures moving images with ease. The Bluetooth connectivity lets you use your smart device as a remote trigger to capture the images, and then automatically transfers those images from the camera to your phone. The ISO range of up to 25,600 captures beautiful images throughout the day. Record 1080p high-definition video by activating the live view mode and pressing the record button. Capture your best moments with the Nikon D3500.
Here's what you need to know to get started with the Nikon D3400. The D3400 is usually packaged with an 18 to 55mm f3.5 to 5.6 kit lens. For more versatility, the 18 to 140mm f3.5 to 5.6 offers a wider zoom range. If you're only going to buy one additional lens, we'd recommend the 35mm f1.8. It's small, sharp, and great for shooting in low light. Our preference for a memory card is a UHS-1 type Class 3 SD card with at least 32 GB of storage. We'd also recommend adding an extra battery to your kit. The addition of a more powerful flash, like the Speedlight SP300 AF, will provide more versatility for low light and social photography. If you're a beginner, select Guide Mode. This will show you the best settings to use for your shot, which allows you to learn without getting into technical details. Effects Mode allows you to apply 10 different filters to stills and video. To get the most out of the D3400's 24-megapixel sensor, we'd recommend shooting in RAW mode and adjust the images using Nikon's bundled Capture NXD software. For more advanced photographers, the PASM exposure modes will let you take full control of the D3400, including its 11-point autofocus system. Switch to continuous autofocus mode if you want to shoot moving subjects. The D3400 shoots HD video at up to 60p. The built-in Snap Bridge feature will wirelessly connect your camera to your mobile device for photo sharing. For more in-depth information about the Nikon D3400, including a deep dive into all its key features, head to dpreview.com.